Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you where the crankshaft position sensor is located and how to replace it guys on a 2.4 engine guys that's been used by Chrysler, Jeep and Fiat. Now this same engine guys, and Dodge as well, this same engine is a 2.4, we'll demonstrate on Dodge Dart, but that engine could be found on Dodge Dart, Jeep Renegade, Jeep Compass, Jeep Cherokee guys, Chrysler 200 and Fiat 500X. So if you have problems with your crankshaft position sensor or you're trying to locate it, we'll show you where it is. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this engine and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Let's start on it now. So this is a 2.4 engine, probably looks familiar to you guys, doesn't matter on what vehicle it is. We started removing a few things. As you can see, air filter box is out, engine mount as well. Why? Because we'll be taking that whole engine apart guys. We'll have so many videos, we'll be fixing almost anything you can think of on it. So looking at the engine now this way guys, okay, looking at the engine this way, okay, that sensor, okay, right here, okay, this sensor by the exhaust, okay, work on it only when the engine is cold guys. Okay, this sensor down there, okay, check it out, this sensor right there, this guys is your crankshaft position sensor. So how you guys remove that thing now? Okay, let me explain to you quick. You can see that red thing now. Okay, and let me just reposition the light a little bit so I can show you a little bit better. Maybe we'll have one person hold the light, okay, like that. Okay, right here. I'll get the camera in. Here I'm trying to feed it guys, okay, perfect. And now I will push that red pin back. Okay, you can see I pushed it back. Now I'm going to press down on the red pin and I will pull guys, okay, that sensor out. So let me see how I can get my hand in there. Okay, okay, this is the connector guys, right here. Okay, I need to press down and pull it out. Okay, so we have this thing out now. Only thing that we need to do now guys, okay, is remove the sensor. How we do that? Okay, we're going to hold the camera, the light like that, and we'll need to get a 10mm socket, 10mm socket with an extension guys. Okay, perfect, it will fit. I'm just checking to make sure, because you might need to get an extension a little bit shorter. It really depends on how long you have, how deep the socket is. Okay, and I'll go ahead and get on top of the bolt. Okay, and we'll go ahead and remove the bolt now. Okay, so it got loose. I'll just go ahead, take it off and we'll continue. So now it should go by hand. I got the bolt loose, just one revolution, okay, with the ratchet, and after that guys it just goes by hand. It's important, okay, not to drop that bolt, not to lose it. Okay, so I'll grab it with my fingers and get it loose towards the end by hand. Okay, this is guys the bolt right here, that's what it looks like. I can go ahead, grab the sensor. Okay, don't twist it, okay, never ever twist, just pull straight out. You can may wiggle it a little bit, but that's how you guys remove it. Okay, you can see this is the crankshaft position sensor. If you need to buy a new one guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.